Hi, Wayne here from Sears Parts Direct. Today we're going to show you how to install an inline water filter on your refrigerator. If your refrigerator doesn't have an internal water filter, you can install an inline filter on the supply tubing to remove chlorine and contaminants. Be sure to choose a filter that's certified to NSF standards. Using a helper, carefully pull the refrigerator forward to access the water supply tubing. Measure the diameter of water supply tubing connected to the back of your refrigerator. Common water supply tubing sizes are 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch. Water tube fittings on most inline filters fit 1/4 inch copper or plastic tubing. Next, you'll choose a place to mount the water filter. Mounting the filter to the wall behind the refrigerator will protect it from damage as you move the refrigerator in and out of its space. You'll need these supplies for most inline water filter installations: utility knife, towel, water bucket, work gloves, filter mounting supplies, adapters for the water supply tubing if necessary, hand tools if necessary. Now we'll get started. Attach the filter mounting hardware to the wall. Unplug the refrigerator and shut off the water supply. Cleanly cut the water supply tube in the spot where you want to install the filter. Clean the ends of the cut water tubing. With the filter's water flow pointed in the right direction, push the inlet end of the water tube into the fitting until it bottoms out. Tug the water tube to make sure it's securely connected. To remove carbon dust and residue, hold the water filter outlet over the bucket and open the water supply valve to flush 2 gallons of water through the filter. Shut off the water supply valve. Connect the outlet tube to the filter outlet fitting and tug the water tube to make sure it's securely connected. Open the water supply valve and check the outlet water tubes for leaking. Push the tubes further in if they leak. Attach the water filter to the mounting hardware on the wall. Plug the refrigerator back in and push it back into place. Replace the water filter every 6 months, or more often if the water flow slows noticeably. Remember to flush the new filter. For convenience, set up a water filter subscription to get a new filter shipped every 6 months. You can do that when you buy the filter. We hope this video helped you out today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll let you know when we post new videos. Replace the water filter every 6 months, or more often if the water flow slows noticeably.